Hi, this is Dom with Sales Cookie. In this video, I'll show you how you can become compliant with accounting standards and amortize the cost of your commissions over time. On this page, I have multiple calculations and their payouts. Next, I will go to Report, Get Report, and I will select this option. This page is an introduction page which explains how the amortization process will work. We'll look at each paid commission, we'll find all the related sales, and then we'll look at their own contract duration. And that's what will be used to amortize the cost of commissions over time. Next, I will process all paid commission in 2020 and group them monthly. Next, your sales data should have either contract durations or start and end dates. In my case, I actually don't have any of these two, so I will fake it and pretend that the quantity is the contract duration in months. Also, if your sales data doesn't have a contract duration, you can use a default value like that. Next, I will generate all amortization entries. I will amortize the cost of my commissions every month. And you also have the option for sales whose contract duration is a year or less to expense them immediately. Next, now the system is generating all the amortization entries for me. As you can see, there's an amortization date, there's an amortization amount, and there's a number of transactions. I can even look at the amortization schedule over time. I can look at the contract durations, and then finally I can export these amortization entries and import them into my accounting system. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.